Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video, you guys. So only thing I want to do is I want to pop in and say hey to everybody. I know I haven't been on my channel for a little while, but I have a lot of things going on behind the scenes. And if you guys may have called in, you may see that we have somebody else on our customer service. Her name is Esther. So when you call in, you may talk to Esther instead of talking directly to Israel. So make sure you guys say hi, be friendly. And if you have any questions, you can always call or text us at 833 Rickita and she'll answer the phone and she'll answer those text messages. And if you want to talk to me, just go ahead and schedule a call, and then we'll go ahead and put you on the schedule, and then we'll be able to talk. So when you call in, say hi to Esther, and if you talk to Israel, still continue to be nice to Israel. But I've been training her, and I've been training someone else behind the scenes to help me with a lot of paperwork. So make sure you guys, if you guys are getting results, send it in to me. We need to process it. We need to see what you're getting in the mail, because you may need to respond to some of the letters that you're getting. So if you're getting any letters in the mail, make sure you guys send these in to us. Now I'll be back making videos. I'm going to put a few videos out tomorrow and later on this week, but I still had a lot I need to do with what I'm doing right now. So, and it's really big, and I cannot wait to tell you guys about it. I'm so excited about it. I know you guys are going to be very excited about it. I think it's going to be huge for just not only me, my family, but everybody else and whoever I can help too. So definitely stick around for that. And I talked to Israel, and Israel told me that you guys were calling in about the new Coast Direct. You guys are calling in about the My Jewelers. Now don't forget, I got the new Coast Direct and I got the My Jewelers also. And I started seeing them accounts falling off my credit reports, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what the heck is going on? Like, why are they removing it? But if you guys are having this problem where the account is falling off of your credit reports, then you have two options. You can call them, talk to them about it, and see what they can do in terms of trying to give you a refund, or you can just hang in there. So two things. I'm going to just hang in there. I'm going to hope that they can get it fixed. And if they don't get it fixed, you know, it is what it is. I just will not renew again with them. But if you guys have the Mike Jewelers or the New Coast Direct, those are your two options. If you're thinking about signing up for these accounts, I don't know right now. Just sit back and wait. And if you guys need to look into other credit cards, maybe you need the other credit cards because you can't get the New Coast Direct on the My Jewelers Club, call or text us 833 Rickita, and we'll be able to help you with that. And don't forget, you guys, make sure you guys are texting Score to 21,000, so when I am creating a video, or if I have something new coming up, you guys can definitely be able to get an alert right away to let you know, hey, I have a new video out. You'll get alert right away. And my children, now it's so much I want to tell you guys. But me and my children, we are starting as a family channel. So I definitely want you guys to go ahead and check out the family channel. I'm going to make sure I link it down below. And we're going to do a giveaway for our family channel. So definitely stick around for our family channel. And I'm just so excited about so many things that we have coming up. So if you have any questions, call or text us. I'm going to be behind the scenes doing a few things. I know I'm for sure next week I'm going to be done with what I need to be done with. And I'm going to be right here telling you guys what's the big thing I've been working on, and I'm going to be right here teach you guys new things that you guys need to learn. But again, I just want to pop in and say hi to you guys, see how everybody was doing. So if you have any questions, go ahead, call or text us 833 Rickita. And if you guys stuck around and you like, okay, is there anything else? There's one more thing I do want to talk to you guys about. And I don't want to go into great details. Do your own research. That's all I want to say. Like, do your own research. So I told you guys about how I was getting into cryptocurrency and how I was investing a lot of money into cryptocurrency and how my money was expanding, right? So there's a coin out right now that people can purchase. It's called the Dogecoin. So you guys can purchase this coin. I already purchased the coin at 7 cents. So I already purchased that 7 cents. I purchased this in February because I was kind of late getting on. I'm like, oh, this was a joke before, but you know, I love Elon Musk and everything he got going on. So for him to tweet it, was like, okay, I should get on it. So I already got on it. I already bought my Dogecoin, and I looked the other day, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it went up to 30 cents. I think that's what I said. I think I seen it, and it went up to 31 cents. And I was like, get out of here, because it kept dropping some, then it kept going up. But when I seen that it went up that much, I was like, wow, I need to buy some more. So I bought some more. And now that I bought some more of it, now it's over 40 cents. At least last time I checked, it was over 41 cents. And I'm like, I need to buy some more. But I remember when I told you guys about XRP, which is another kind of like cryptocurrency. I bought in the XRP at 22 cents. I think it went all the way up to $1.92. I bought in at 22 cents. So I told you guys I was gonna do my cryptocurrency, and I'm still doing a lot of it behind the scenes, and I'm just loving it. But I haven't really made videos about that. So I got a message. Israel sent me a message from one of you guys watching, like, thank you, Rickita, for telling me about Coinbase. I got into Coinbase and they're making some money with it now. Congratulations to you. I don't know who you are exactly, but congratulations to you. And Israel definitely told me about the message that you sent. So I'm happy for you. But if you guys are into cryptocurrency already, or if you're not, please get into it. Learn what's going on. I'm going to definitely talk more about it. But like I said, I have something huge I'm working on. When I'm done working on this thing, then I'll get more into home buying. I'll get more into just real estate in general. I'll get more into credit. I'll get into cryptocurrency, and I'm going to start my personal channel because you guys told me don't put your personal stuff on this channel. Make a new channel. I think I did like a poll. I had 63% said make a new channel, and the rest said I can use this channel. So since the majority said make a new channel, I'm going to make that new channel. But I'm going to make sure I separate these different things and put it down in the description. But I think that's really everything I want to talk to you guys about. So like I said, call or text 833-RICKITA. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. I have somebody new on the team named Esther. So if you call in, don't be surprised if you don't hear Israel, if you don't hear me. It may be correct. 833-RICKITA. If you call that number, that is definitely me. So I'll talk to you guys later. And if you guys get your Dogecoin, definitely let me know. Definitely let me know, because tomorrow they want to turn the 420 day into Doge day. They're trying to switch it around. So they don't want it to be, you know what, with 420, they want it to be the Dogecoin. So I know it's going to shoot up, kind of like how GameStop did. Well, not really how GameStop did, but I know it's going to be something great, and I want you guys to really jump on it. It's going to be a great opportunity for you guys to invest if you're already investing. And if you put money in it and you left it like how I did, and later on found out, wait, it went up. Check it. Check your money right now. You may have something. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.